As regard their application that only MLAs can file, we have pointed out to the Speaker in detail that the Honorable Supreme Court has laid down the law on this, that any interested person, any citizen can file a disqualification petition, and that is the law. They were saying that there are some rules which require that only MLA can file. Those rules have been interpreted by the Honorable Supreme Court to say that any interested person, any citizen can file a disqualification petition, that we have demonstrated to the Honorable Speaker. We have also pointed out that all this was a strategy only to delay the decision in the disqualification petition. And we have also pointed out, it appears that how that strategy has boomeranged. They have just filed an application saying that you cannot file a disqualification petition. But under the rules on which they were laying so much of emphasis, also provides that within 7 days or the time which is given by the Speaker, they had to file their comments or their response or their reply. Till date they have not filed. So this petition was filed in month of July of 2022. Came for the hearing for the first time on 16th of December. On 16th of December, both the respondents sought time of 5 weeks to file their reply. The Speaker was gracious to grant them that. So they had to either file the reply from 7 days of receipt of the notice or 5 weeks which they were granted by the Speaker. They did not file. They chose not to file. By doing so, what they have done is they have virtually admitted each and every allegation which we have made in the petition. And what allegation we had made? We had said that you have not attended the CLP meeting which was specifically called in respect of this defection. We have said in the petition that this respondent called 3 of our MLAs and requested them to defect. We have made a statement in the petition that you were the people who orchestrated defection. Today, all these facts stand admitted. If those facts stand admitted, in terms of law laid down in Ravi Naik's judgment, in terms of law laid down in Shriman Balasaheb Patil's judgment, they have incurred disqualification by their conduct. And we requested the Speaker that by their conduct today they stand disqualified. So you please also take decision on this, because they have voluntarily chosen not to file their reply. Time was given to them. They did not file any comment. They only filed this application saying that Mr. PATKAR cannot file as the President. We have shown the Speaker that how President can file, and also shown that how by their conduct they have forfeited their right to file the reply, and therefore they have deemed to admitted each and every averment which I have made in the petition, and therefore they have disqualified. Also, one interesting point which was pointed out is that this emphasis is made on rules. I am not sure whether our house in fact has notified those rules, because the rules which are notified and today are in force are the rules which were notified by the Goa when we were union territories, by the Speaker of the Goa Daman and Diu Legislative Assembly, not by the Speaker of our Goa Legislative Assembly. So we had pointed out and we requested the Speaker so that we also know what is the exact position. But as per our research, those rules were subsequently never notified. So on this point, we said that this was our argument, briefly our argument which we made before the Speaker. So we said that their application be dismissed, saying that only MLA can be the person who will be filing the disqualification petition. And also we pointed out that by their conduct, they have forfeited their right to file the reply and consequently admitted each and every averment which you have made. And if that is the case, they have incurred disqualification. Supreme Court on what issue आशिल्लो? Orissa, state of Orissa on what issue raised जाल्लो की Presidentan disqualification petition file केल्ले. The Speaker raised the objection saying that only the MLAs can file. So Orissa High Court, Honorable Orissa High Court कितें म्हटलें की ना, any interested person can file. That was taken to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court also said the same thing, that any interested person can file disqualification petition, because what is the objective of the of the 10th schedule is to disqualify a member who has incurred disqualification. आम्ही जर रूल असे इंटरप्रेट केले की व्हर्च्युअली 10th शेड्यूलाचो ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह डिफीट जाता, then those rules cannot be read in that manner, and the court says that any interested person can file a disqualification petition. आता ऑर्डरीक दवरला स्पीकर.
Ordering.
Date due na, but ordering due na. He may even take a decision on the final issue. He may either disqualify or it's his decision. He may reject our contention that they are not disqualified, or he may come to a conclusion that yes, they have incurred disqualification. What law says that जेन्ना तुका टाइम फ्रेम दिल्लो आसा की ह्या टाइम फ्रेमा भितर रिप्लाय फायल करूंक जाय, तुवें व्हॉलंटरी चूज केला की रिप्लाय फायल करना, then once you do not deny the facts either expressly or by impliedly, then those are deemed to be admitted. So admit म्हणटा means what? In law it is deemed to be admitted. आम्ही जे कितें averments केला they are deemed to be admitted. So if they are in law deemed to be admitted, then you are accepted whatever we have said, as he says.